Hey there! The single most motivating number in personal finance is what one extra payment a month does to your loan term. Let me walk you through the loan and mortgage payoff calculator, tab by tab. Start on loan setup. Your balance, your rate, your term, and your start date. That's all it needs. The amortization schedule builds itself from there. Every payment for the life of the loan, split into principal and interest with the running balance. The extra payment planner is the interesting one. Add anything extra monthly or switch to bi-weekly, and it shows the months saved and the interest you never pay. Refinance and comparison puts your current loan next to a new one, including the closing costs, and tells you the break-even point. The dashboard gives you the headline picture, total interest, payoff date, and how much extra payments have moved it. And the payment tracker records what you've actually paid against the schedule, so you can see real progress rather than the plan. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.